Oh, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We're here in the shop today. We are doing a little bit of video work. I'm going to be going out with the T5i that I have here. It's pretty much the way I got it. It's got a kit lens on it, which I got two with the package that I got. This one is a 18-55. I have a Level 2 ND2 neutral density filter on it, so the color's not too crazy while we're out in the sun. So yeah, it's pretty basic, but we're gonna use this today. Okay, so here's what I'm doing right now. Again, I drew a little map here of the rough map of track back here, and I got a handful of different points that I want to shoot from, and some Jennifer and I sort of came up with. Hey Ribs, who is out here hanging out with me? She's been following me the whole time. Alright, so I have my camera set up here with the longer lens on it. Still has the ND2 filter on it. But this is the 75-300. It's going to be a slow-mo shot up on the brush as the car comes past. Should look pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to finish up back here and probably go drive the car for a minute. I might throw a GoPro on for that. So yeah, car did great again. I gotta start cleaning this. I don't know if you guys can see that. I need to clean that filter out. It is dusty in here. I think I'm gonna go through the whole thing, clean it all out at some point soon before I drive it again. Anyway, yeah, so that was a blast. I'm gonna close up shop. Oh, look how dusty this thing is. Oh, what's up, bub? Whoa, whoa. Oh, what's up everybody? We're back in the shop working on the S14 again. Today I'm going to be cleaning it out. It's getting pretty dusty in the trunk, in the interior. It doesn't look too bad right now. I'm just going to clean it out real quick. It's been there's quite a few laps back there. It's definitely getting dusty. I'm going to take it out back and I'm going to wash it off and clean up the interior, get it looking nice. First step done. I have the air filter off right now. I just want to show you guys how good of a job that Spectra filter has done. All that dust coming through there and into this engine bay and near that filter. There is nothing there. There's a lot of dust in that filter. And the outside, oh look at, there's like nothing on the inside of there. So yeah, that filter cleaned out pretty well. I got this interior all cleaned up. It was not that bad in here, so just wiped off the dash and vacuumed out the seats. I'm gonna throw this back on the filter, math, car, and I'm gonna wipe it down, and she's ready to go. So that is ready. I am going to wash it. Spent the last, I would say, hour and a half cleaning and shooting this thing on the track here with the T5i on the with the whole new rig, and it worked really well. I gotta say, I'm pretty excited to check that out. I felt like crispy meaty out here or something, man. It definitely helps smooth out the shots, especially with adding motion to stuff. Shop's nice and clean, ready to film here tomorrow. Anyway, you guys can see earlier, this is the rig I was talking about. I pulled the mic off it because I didn't need the audio. But yeah. Alright, one down. It's the S14 climate control unit, and it is ready to go. These are both ready to go. They are going to help somebody finish a project somewhere.
Go! I got smoked out.
Alright, beautiful. So, close up for now. That was a blast. As always, I got everything packed up. I'm going to head back to the house. We are here getting ready for another day shooting. We are about to start filming here a little bit, maybe. The weather will work with us. It is sort of cloudy out right now, so I don't know if we're going to, but we got a couple of different Steadicam things. We got the tripod, we got all the usual video stuff, a couple GoPros. I got some gas here I'm going to put into the car, and then I think we're going to get out there and see if we can't get a couple shots in. Anyway, so I got these three. I got the Hero 1, Hero 3 Plus, and Vivitar. I showed you guys that earlier, but I'm going to mount these three up onto the car, and Jen's going to do some in-car stuff, and we're going to see if we can get out here while there's a little light, like there is right now. Alright, so, running good. No leaks. Still running good with no leaks. I got a GoPro here. Looking down there. We got a GoPro here. Looking at all that stuff. That should be pretty cool. This Vivitar thing here on the tow hook. Could be getting a little bit of that. Should be a pretty cool shot. But yeah. I'm going to be, Jen's going to be filming with the M31, so I'm going to hand it over to her. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Holy crap. Oh, that was intense. That was, it was wet back there, and it was quite tacky, and it was really bumpy. So, I don't know what we got. I'm not sure how good any of that stuff looks, but we're definitely going to check it out. So, yeah.
Perfect.